Prime factors of 856. 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, 2 eights are 16, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 sevens are 14, 107 ones are 107, equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 107. Prime factors of 857. 857 ones are 857. Equal 1 multiply 857. Prime factors of 858. 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, 2 nines are 18, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 3 threes are 9, 11 ones are 11, 11 threes are 33, 13 ones are 13, equal 2 multiply 3 multiply 11 multiply 13. Prime factors of 859. 859 ones are 859. Equal 1 multiply 859. Prime factors of 860. 2 fours are 8, 2 threes are 6, 2 zeros are 0, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, 5 fours are 20, 5 threes are 15, 43 ones are 43. Equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 43.